Good morning, student. I hope you are doing your assignment on time. I hope you are understanding the lessons through the videos, audios, and assignment. Today we will study about countable and uncountable nouns. We will also study about alphabetical order. Let's begin. Nouns which can be counted are called countable nouns. Do you remember in chapter 2 of grammar book we studied about singular and plural nouns? Only the nouns which are countable have both singular and plural forms. Example: dogs, puppies, balls, bowls, tables, chairs, pen, etc. All of these nouns can be counted. So, these are countable nouns. इसको हिंदी में बोलते हैं क्या? जिन नाउन्स को संख्या की गिनती हो सकती है उन्हें काउंटेबल नाउन कहते हैं. There are some nouns or things which cannot be counted. Example: milk, honey, oil, sugar, salt, etc. Because these nouns cannot be counted, they generally have either a singular or a plural forms. Only that is why they are called uncountable noun. इसी को ही हम लोग अनकाउंटेबल बोलते हैं. जैसे कि नाउन्स को संख्या की गिनती नहीं हो सकती है उन्हें अनकाउंटेबल नाउन कहते हैं. Now do exercise B, page number 20. Children, now we will study about alphabetical order. As you know, the English alphabet starts from A, B, C, D and end with Z. So, first letter is A, second is B, and in this way Z is the last letter. When we arrange words in the order of English alphabet or A, B, C, D order, it is called alphabetical order. Suppose we have 7 words: shop, ball, girl, Jew, van, man, make. Now, if we want to arrange this in alphabetical order, we will look at the first letter of each word. If first letter of any word comes before the first letter of another word, then first what will come before the other in alphabetical order. Now we will arrange these words in alphabetical order. First, ball, BALL. Second, girl, GIRL. Next, make, MAKE. Fourth, man, MAN. Fifth, shop, SHOP. Next, van, VAN. And last, Jew, JOO, Jew. B of ball comes before G of girl. So, ball comes before girl in alphabetical order. We also have two words starting with M. In this case, we will see the following letters of both words to decide alphabetical order. Man, MAN, and make, MAKE, have same first two letters M and A, but N in man comes after K in make in English alphabet. So, in this case, make comes before man in alphabetical order. Now, look at the answer of yesterday assignment on alphabetical order and try to understand why and where do you use alphabetical order. We use alphabetical order to neatly arrange our words, file, etc. Most common use of alphabetical order is in English dictionary. Have you ever seen a dictionary? Thank you. Have a nice day.